Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 18th of July 2019. Okay guys, first of all subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed till now, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the latest forex trading updates from my side. Okay, now let's move towards the today's analysis, and starting from USDJPY, we hit 5 signals today. And 107730 was the bullish entry for USDJPY, and 107973 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go up, and it has finally hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another ongoing trade on AUDUSD with a bullish expectation from 07039. And 070662 is the target price, and you can see the entry is already break and AUDUSD is moving up. I have supplied the signal on the basis of daily chart, because if you look at the daily candle, the market is still pumping up and it's still far from the overbought level, so we can expect the further upward momentum on AUDUSD. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 098604 and 098937 was the target price, and guys, you can see the market almost hit the target price. Within the 2 hours the market started to go up, and finally it went near to the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on USDCHF. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar, another satisfied signal of the day with a bullish expectation from 130591 and 130887 is the target price. And guys, you can see a huge upward trend on USD Canadian dollar, and the market exactly touched the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, that was 130887. At last, I am going to talk about the massive trade of the day, that is on Great Britain pound JPY with a bullish expectation from 134057 and 134761 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen the massive upward trend on Great Britain pound JPY, and it hit the target price few hours ago. So congratulations to all traders who have taken the buy positions today on Great Britain pound JPY. Okay guys, now I'm going to talk about the trading system. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are 2 red boundaries on the chart, and whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, and if it is getting the rejection from the top red boundary, like if you look at the pattern here, and then the scalper has also pointed you with a sell arrow in the form of red arrow, then the market has dropped. Okay, whenever you see that the market is into the oversold levels, which is the lower red boundary, and then you can see that the market is pumping up, then you can buy the pair. And that's what happened with Great Britain pound JPY. And when the monitor turns the color into green, it means the time to buy. When it changes into red, then it means that could be the time for a sell. But we focus more on these 2 indicators that are attached on the chart, which is in the form of red boundaries and arrows. Okay guys, so this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.